What's up, you guys? Okay, so this is the October unboxing of the Witch Casket. This has arrived today. This is Divination. So let's have a look what we've got. Alrighty, so let's take a look. This is my first subscription to Witch Casket. Oh, okay. Almost lost the camera. So we have the booklet, which has a little note, everything in. Which is cool. Okay, so we'll put that to one side. We have the art card, which is very pretty actually. And the monthly manifestations. I have seen these before on the videos. So it's, what are my goals this month? What practical steps can I take to reach these goals? And what magical steps can I take? Okay, so we have Prophetic Dreams Pillow Pouch Kit. Contains all that you need to encourage prophetic dreams. That's very cool. This must be an exclusive. A unique oracle deck created for intuitive readers to gain insight into their past, future, and present. Sounds very fun. So let's take a quick look at these. Ooh. Oh wait, that's cute. They're coffin shaped. Betrayal, tears, blessings. Oh, these are really nice. I really like these. Okay. Nice, nice. Then we have the scroll. I believe you get a scroll in every box. Oh Lord. I will leave this here for a second so you guys can have a look at this. I don't know if you'll be able to read it all, but it is very, very cool. And the paper feels really good as well. Oh! We have got... For use with incense holders. Okay, so let me see. Apparently I can't get into a box. Okay, yeah, so this is just incense. And this is a magical blend of peppermint and patchouli. So... Oh, that smells so good! It smells so good. But yeah, that's really nice. I like that. These do ship worldwide, by the way, not sponsored. We have got Iolite, which is... This powerful stone encourages psychic awareness and intuition and can be effective divination aid. Iolite can help with overthinking, scattered thoughts, codependency, or addiction. It is also a stone of balance, motivation, confidence, and clear thinking. Sounds perfect for me. Overthinking. Okay, we have... What is this? Oh, for the cards! Oh, that's so pretty. We just put one in each one? Wait, that's so cool. Look at that. And this is actual wood as well. That is so nice. Okay. And I believe there's a couple more things. This is the enamel pin for this box, which, by the way, I love. It's very cute. Let me see if I can... There we go. It's very nice. This is... what is this? Divination Pendulum Pendant. Okay, I can't... I'm gonna have to get the little book, so just bear with me one second. So the Pendulum Pendant... Hold the pendulum by the cord and allow it to settle. Ask a yes or no question that you already know the answer to. See which way the pendulum swings. That allows you to ascertain the direction of the pendulum, yes or no. Okay, so that's cool. For divination on the go. Okay, we like that. That's cute. And this is literally just bear with me, sorry. It's quite weighty as well, to be fair. But it's very cute. I suppose it could be worn as a necklace as well, and then you can just take it off and do what you need to do. I like that. I like these bags as well. Like, they're very nice. The whole box, I believe, is vegan. Vegan friendly. Okay, let's see. Magical telling tiles with casting cloth. Ooh. Okay, so we've got the tiles, which I don't really know a lot about this, so I'll have to study this myself. And then we have the cloth, which this feels really nice. Let's see. Oh, wow. Okay, I don't have a lot of room for this, so you'll have to forgive me. Let me see if I can... Okay, there we go. Like, this is crazy. Like, crazy good, though. It's very pretty. I mean, all the details on the back as well. This is so nice. So yeah, I'm very happy with this. This retails in the UK at £29 per month. I think it's like $35 if you're getting it overseas. But either way, it's definitely worth it. They put a lot of thought into everything. Also, I'm sorry guys, but I actually found this in the bottom that I missed. It is a divination coin. Use this uncomplicated divination tool for yes/no questions. Hold the coin and charge it by focusing on your question. Toss the coin and see the insight that it holds. And I will just open this up and show it you. Okay, so I want to start off by saying this is extremely heavy. But look how pretty that is. That's gorgeous. And then it's very thick. Look at that. Yes. No. It's beautiful. Alright guys, hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.